Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the future release of MODX CMS, and this release would be numbered as MODX version 3, right? So on the login to the manager, to the admin panel, we got a new screen which is already announced. So here is how it looks like, and let's check the admin panel, so how it looks. So on the first login, the welcome screen is looking like this. So it thanks us for installing and using the MODX Revolution. Okay, so there are two versions of MODX. One is Evolution and another one is Revolution. As for the Evolution, it's now got a new home. It's I think the site is evolution.io or .com. So and the same is for the MODX Revolution version 3. The website is the home for MODX Revolution is modx3.org, right? Let's check. Yeah, so it's MODX 3 project, and it's powered by MODX LLC, the main company, and Sterk, the web agency. Alright, so let's just see how it looks. So this is a new installation, and you've got the one of the folders writable, right? So that's, I think, no problem. So let's check the editor. So by default, nothing is really installed to be used as an editor, but I think we can just try and install something. So like in the WordPress, we got the buttons here for view save, right? So this is quite new element of the user interface. Setting, very nicely aligned. So let's try to view this. Right, so we got the first page, which is I think the hard-coded HTML version. So let's just check it. So we got templates and base template installed. So just let's check the code. Yeah, so CSS and HTML looks like everything is hard-coded here, right? So you can see even images. Let's see something. So we've got the same placeholders, page title, site name. This used to work on the earlier versions of MODX. Alright, so what if we create another template, say test, so and let's show on this page just the I don't know, we can put the content, or we can just I'm actually very interested in something different, but let's just, for example, output, have it very simple and straightforward, and have it as content. Alright, so we go to this one, this page we have already created, so let's just assign a new page, a new template for this. So this one is saved, it's called test. So let's do the change of the template name. So it's located here. Let's select test. Yeah, that's fine. So test, save, and let's check the, yeah, so we got all the HTML, the CSS not included, and that's how it looks now. And what else I wanted to test is, for example, the video requests for the database. So let's do something like this. We would take, yeah, let's just test content just to make sure that it's still existing. Let's create a new snippet. So the snippet I want to have is like test get object resource, and let's check and fetch the document, the first document. Some of the properties test snippet, get object resource ID1, and new object. So if it's not existing, then we can create a new document and just save it. Alright, so let's just create something very easy to check if the video is working. Okay, so test snippet. Alright, we have it. Let's get back to template. Oh, we are using this one, so let's quick update this one. So first is we are showing the content, and then let's output the test snippet that it returns. So test snippet, and in the result we should output the, we should check if the test exists, then let's output the test get, I think it's page title. So let's just show it. Alright, so we have the content already out on the output, and let's see if my snippet would output the home text. So it says test get page title. Let's check if we can have the system error log, right? Menus, context, dashboards, manage your page, users, report, error log. Home, Korea, simple power, user learning. Cooling floor class. Okay, so it's cooling floor class. So it should be a mod resource, right? Okay. So now clean and check it. So we have test content and home. So basically the video is working the same way, right? And let's have the other test. So we will try to find document by ID2, and if it's not existing, then it will be creating this document, and it will create a document with the name test. So let's just check. So yeah, so try to create a document, that's why it's not outputting anything new. So let's refresh and check name. So it should be page title. So it should have been page type. Let's test the delete button. So we need to completely refresh. Go to trash bin. So this feature is now nice. I haven't seen now 0 resources. Okay, I don't even know how this button works now. So let's just see where is the trash bin. Manage, report, remove box, clear cache, user. So I don't even know where to find this trash can. Okay, never mind. Let's create a new document. So let's try and search for ID3. If it's not existing, then we will create a new document. Okay. So let's see. Yes, so it's existing. Leave page and let's see. So we got the title. So XPDO is working, and I think this is good. So this means that the development will be straightforward for the users, for the